Hello everybody. Now listen carefully. Can you hear that? The builders have stopped. I can upload again. I can upload. Yes. Anyway, before we start what I'm going to do today, I want my subscribers to do me a big favour. Now, about 6 or 7 weeks ago, I was only on like 82 subscribers, and Chris the Butcher gave me a shout out. Now, if you don't know Chris the Butcher, I'll leave a link in the description. But his wife Lou, she needs about 150 subscribers, I think, to get to 1,000. I'm going to leave a link in the description, and I want to try and get her as close to 1,000 subscribers as I can. Now, I'm going to come up with a deal. If you can get her to close to 1,000 subscribers, next weekend, Jubilee weekend, we've got a big carnival in our town, and I'll live stream it for you. But I want to get her to as close to 1,000 as I can, just as like a thank you for shouting me out. Because without them shouting me out, I wouldn't even be here. You probably wouldn't even know my channel. So if you can, I'll leave a link in the description. Go and give her a subscribe. Tell her the old food guy sent you, and it'd be much appreciated. Now I've never done a live stream before on the phone, so I don't know how to do it. I'd have to work it out. So I want to give it to like next Wednesday. So if we can get to close to 1,000 by next Wednesday, then it gives me a day or two to work out how to do a live stream. So if you can do that for me and get her to 1,000, because she deserves it.
She's lovely.
She's lovely, isn't she?
She's so funny.
And she's really funny as well.
She's lovely.
So I'll leave a link in the description. And if you can do that, I really appreciate it, honest to God. Honest to God, because she deserves it. Especially for giving me a shout, because I wouldn't even be known anywhere otherwise. Would we?
No, they're lovely, both of them are, but Lou's funny.
So I'll leave a link. And go and give her a subscribe. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? And I promise I'll do a live stream next Saturday. It'll be a most of the day thing. So if you do, and we can get it close, I'll live stream for you. Big carnival, motorbike jumps and all this stuff, fires, everything. It's quite good.
It's a good day out. It is a good day out. So yeah.
So,
go and give Lou's life a subscribe, please.
There you go. Right.
Thank you.
Now on to today's video. I'm going to do a budget KFC. They were £3.19p. They were from Aldi. Now we've had them before, but before there was only like £2.59, I think, but there was a big box of them, so the price has gone sky high. But I think you get 7 pieces in there for £3.19. I'm going to do it with some Southern style gravy and just some French fries in the air fryer. So I'll open these up. Say that on all them, don't they? New look. Price has gone up though. So let's open them up. We'll get them in the oven. Get the chips in, get the gravy on. And we'll just do a budget KFC. Well, as I say, I've had these before. But in case you haven't, they show you all the nutrition. I can't read that properly. See if I can get my glasses on and see it. I can read that. Main per 100 gram, 279 calories. Certified red tractor. I ain't going to read that at the back. I'll show you that because I ain't going to be able to read that, no way. See? There's all the ingredients, the allergies. So it's 800 gram box. It's quite simple really. What's this at the top, if I can read that? Chicken drumsticks and thighs. We've added water, yeah, obviously. So I'm not going to cook them all because my lad's going to have them for tea anyway. So I'm just going to do a couple. Get it open up. I've got the oven on warming up. How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you get 7 pieces. There's the drumsticks. And they look quite nice. Oh, dropped it everywhere. They look quite nice actually. I'm going to save the thighs for the lads for later on. But I'm going to do a couple of drumsticks. So I'll get myself an oven proof bowl. Just get a couple in. I don't need a couple. 2 will do. I'm going to spray a bit of one spray on them. Just get it crispier. And I didn't look how long they went in the oven for, did I? See if I can see that. Split that box, get it off. Uh, 35 minutes. Fan 180. Gas mark 6 or 200 electric. Right, so I'll get them in the oven then. The oven's warming up. Right, it's all done. I didn't show me cooking the chips and that because they're in the air fryer. And the gravy, I've done it on my channel before, so. Well, there you go, look at that. Nice cheap budget meal. Loads of gravy in there. A couple of pieces of chicken. I've only done a few chips because I say this isn't my proper dinner, so I don't want to fill myself up. But looks nice, doesn't it, for the money? Say with that chicken, some chips and that gravy, work out about £1 a meal. Bonus. Nice little KFC. Cheap one. Let's have a taste test. So there we go then. I'm going to do a chip first. Chips are a bit cold now by the time I set everything up, but with the gravy, oh yes. I absolutely love that gravy I did that sun fried for £1. It's absolutely amazing. And a chicken stick. Oh yes. Mmm. Oh wow. Just falling off the bone as well. It's absolutely gorgeous. Hot, hot, hot. So there you go, nice little cheap budget meal. KFC style. Nice and simple there. Another chip, absolutely covered in stuff, look. So everything I got from was from Aldi, apart from the gravy, that was from B&M, but I've had that in the cupboard. So I say, I am the old food guy. Do you like cheap budget cooking like this? Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Good for your grandkids that, I suppose, or you know, if you're really struggling. Don't forget to go and subscribe to Lou, I'll leave a link in the description. Till the next time, see you later, bye bye.